Hello, dear students. Welcome to the Alkalam Academy online classes. I am your English teacher Adibuddin. Today I'm going to teach English to the class ninth, and this is the third chapter of class ninth's book Beehive. And this chapter name is The Little Girl. I'll start The Little Girl with a short briefing of this chapter. This is in this chapter, in this lesson, the writer wants to talk about the feeling of a little child, a little girl who has misunderstood the love of her parents as their cruelty, because she was not knowing the reason behind the steps taken by them, the reaction of them. So she used to think that their parents are really cruel, and she was so much afraid of their of her father, and she tried to avoid her father all the time. Once something happened, she made her further afraid of her father. But later on, when she grew up, when she tried to understand that reason behind their strictness, her feeling changed, and she understood that this strictness is not for their cruelty only. This is their love, and for their love only they are strict to her. So this is the story about the changes of the feeling of a child towards their parents. Most of the child in an early stage thinks that their parents are cruel, but whenever they grow up, their feeling change, and they become able to understand the reason for their action. So their feeling changed. Now I will start the lesson with para 1 only. So here on the para 1 reads as so let's see here. To the little girl, he was figured to be feared and avoided. To the little girl, here we are talking about one little girl. Somebody figured to be feared and avoided. Somebody was figured means somebody has such a personality to be feared, that she used to fear of her and avoided. She wanted to avoid her. If you become feared of some thing, you want to avoid that thing. So that for that girl, he was feared to be feared and avoided. Every morning before going to work, he came into her room, and every morning before going to work, he came into her room. He used to come in her room and gave her a casual kiss and gave her a kiss to her, to which she responded with. And after kissing, when he used to kiss her, in response she used to say, "Goodbye, father." It means that he was her father. Goodbye, father. And then it is trying to describe the feeling. And oh, there was a glad sense of relief when she heard a noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. And oh, she had a glad sense of relief. Relief means she was feeling relieved of something, that she will not be have to fear for some more time, and she has avoided somebody, means it gives a relief. So sense of there was a glad sense of relief. She became happy when she listened that carriage is going away on the road, and the voice of carriage goes slowly fainted, means goes the voice decreases time to time, and it's faint. And later on in the evening, when he come home, he stood near the staircase in the evening. He When he came home, and in the evening when he came home, she stood near the staircase. She used to stood in the near a staircase. And now Here it was the scene where of the evening when his father used to come in the evening time. She used to stand on the near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall, and he used to speak in a loud voice, bring my tea into the drawing room, bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Hasn't the paper come yet means paper अभी आया नहीं है. ठीक है. Mother, go and see if my papers out there. Mother used to say, go and see if my papers out there and bring me my sleeper. And mother used to say that go and see the paper is there and bring my sleepers. Kenzie, mother would call to her. Mother said to the Kenzie, and she used to call her, say her like this: if you are a good girl, you can come down and take off the father's boot. If you are a good girl, you came down from the stair and put off the father's boot. Slowly the girl would slip down the stairs. Slowly the girls used to come down the stairs more slowly, still across the hall, more slowly, and she used to cross the hall and push open the drawing room door. And she used to push open for opening. She used to push the door, but by that time he had his spectacles on, and by that time he used to wear his spectacle and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. And he used to see the girl in the way that the girl get so much terrified of him. Well, Kenzie, hurry up and put off these boots and take them outside. And he used to say that, he says, hurry up, Kenzie, put off my boot and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? And he used to ask, have you been a good girl today? It means that you have done all things good today. I don't know, father. And the way she answers, I don't know. She is a stuttering. Stutter means haklana. She is a stuttering. It means she is afraid of her father, so she is unable to speak anything properly in front of her father. You don't know. His father replied in the same way as she stuttered. If you stutter like that, अगर तुम वैसे ही हकलाओगे, mother will have to take you to the doctor. Mother will take you to the doctor. Today I have taught you the 2 para. Next day I'll teach you the 3rd, 4th and 5th para, or even more if time allows. Thank you. I hope you would have understood this.